Benefits of a cold shower every day. It might sound to you like a form of mild torture, but placing yourself under a stream of freezing cold water daily is an activity that is surging in popularity around the world. What's more, the science is beginning to show why this seemingly bizarre practice offers a host of benefits. In this video, we look at the science behind the many health claims surrounding cold showers, so you can separate fact from fiction. At the end, we outline a recommended practice that you can try for yourself. What are the scientifically proven benefits of cold showers? People have claimed all sorts of benefits, some seemingly miraculous, from taking cold showers. So let's look at the hard evidence. A 2009 meta-analysis of cold water immersion in the British Journal of Sports Medicine showed the physiological effects of cold showers. These include increased heart rate, higher blood pressure, and elevated respiratory rate compared to using warm water. So the claim that cold showers create a sense of invigoration and alertness that sets you up for the day can be considered true. A 2016 trial in the Netherlands found that people who take cold showers were 29% less likely to call in sick for work or school. The study enrolled 3,018 people who took a hot shower, then used cold water for 30 to 90 seconds at the end. The control group took warm showers without using any cold water. Researchers concluded that cold showers seemed able to boost the immune system, making people less prone to illness. A 2007 study in the journal Medical Hypotheses looked at the effects of cold showers on the brain. Researchers discovered they activated the sympathetic nervous system and increased the availability of neurotransmitters such as norepinephrine and endorphins. This in turn meant that people were less likely to experience depressive symptoms and more likely to experience a sense of well-being. So claims that cold showers can boost mood and motivation appear to be true. The North American Journal of Medical Sciences found in 2014 that cold water can have an anesthetic-like effect. It confirmed that exposure to cold water causes blood vessels to constrict, which helps to reduce the swelling that causes pain. Cold water also slows down the speed at which nerve signals conduct their impulses to the brain, which results in lowering a person's perception of pain. So encouraging alertness, boosting the immune system, promoting psychological well-being, and pain reduction are 4 areas where we so far have solid evidence for cold showers. How should I take cold showers? The science shows you only need a short exposure to enjoy benefits of cold showers. So 30 to 90 seconds of cold water at the end of your normal shower is enough to trigger the therapeutic effects. If you liked this video, please subscribe to Better Days, where we deliver fun and informative videos that help you become the best version of you. Till next time, have a great day.